Hello, my dear friends. How are you? The theme of our lesson is what influences the food on your plate? Okay, let's start. Our learning objectives. And next, please open your student's book at page 93. The text. Please listen and read.
What influences the food on your plate? The food we eat is influenced by so many things: our geography, our history, our climate, and our lifestyle. So just as a country surrounded by sea, like Japan, is a nation of fish eaters, a country surrounded by land, like Mongolia, where the nearest coast is 700 kilometers away, depends on meat. Mutton, the meat from sheep, is the most important ingredient in Mongolian food. It is eaten in a number of different ways: roasted, in soup, or the most popular of all, in dumplings called boos. But it isn't only the ingredients that change. Ways of preparing food can depend on geography too. In New Zealand, a land with more than 60 volcanoes, the Maori use a method called hangi to prepare food. They use volcanic rock to cook the food underground. They dig a large hole where they make a fire to heat the rocks. The food goes on the rocks. They close the hole and wait for 4 or 5 hours for the food to cook. If you walked by a cooking hangi, you wouldn't even know it was there. You can't even smell the food cooking. But we can't always wait 5 hours for our food. With our busy modern lifestyles, where everyone is always on the go, street food is the obvious answer, and each country has its traditional street food, from Turkish simit bread sellers on the streets of Istanbul to Thai noodle carts in Bangkok. In Sicily, in southern Italy, traditional street food is a ball of fried rice called an arancino. The center of the ball is filled with a rich tomato and meat sauce. It is just as delicious as a bowl of pasta or a slice of pizza, but so much easier to eat as you walk down the street. If I had to choose my favorite fast food, this would be it. What about your country? What influences the kind of food people eat where you live?
Okay, good. So, read the text again and exercise number 3, page 93. Read the article again and identify the countries. You should just write countries that were mentioned in the text. Тек қана балалар, мемлекеттер, қай мемлекеттің, қай елдің атауын сендер естіп, оқып алдыңдар, соны ғана жазамыз. Не туралы айтылған? Әр мемлекет туралы. Okay, next task. Exercise number 4, page 93. Prepositional phrases. Choose the correct words, then check your answers in the article. Prepositional phrases. Балалар, білесіңдер, ағылшын тілінде preposition деген осындай бір грамматикалық бірлік бар. Және балалар, ол бізде етістіктен кейін тұрады. Және ол қандай болады екен, сол етістіктің мағынасына да әсер етеді. For example, a country surrounded by. Please find the correct answers in the text. Мәтіннен балалар дұрыс жауаптарын тауып жауап береміз. Next task. Translate these words and word combinations. Осы тапсырманы балалар Сендер сынып жұмысы ретінде орындау керексіңдер. Осы сөздерді қазақ тіліне аударамыз. Influenced by, surrounded by, depend on, dumplings, obvious, be on the go, mutton. Translate, please. So, our homework is page 93 in your student's book, exercise number 5. Complete the questions with the prepositions and underlined phrases in exercise 4. Төртінші тапсырмада асты сызылған сөздерді және сөз тіркестерін осы сұрақтарға орналастыру керек мағынасы бойынша. Please write your homework. Student's book, exercise number 5, page 93. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.